This is a fit for a 2017 through 2018 and beyond Honda CR-V with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium AeroBlade base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which is part number KIT 3166. That includes the rubber bases as well as rubberized metal brackets and all the necessary fasteners to connect to the factory connection points. Crossbar spacing is 26 3/4 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.